Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making what I call my lazy apple pie, but many call a dump cake. We are going to be making a layer of apples with some caramel and then just topping it with a white cake mix or yellow cake mix, whatever you have, with a little bit of butter so it doesn't dry out. And I'm telling you, top that with some vanilla ice cream when it's ready and you are in business. So let's get started. Grab your ingredients, put on your aprons, and let's go.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.